People can use them for blackmail. People can use them for cyberbullying. There's a lot of different bad things that can happen when these kind of images exist.
Following the end of the spring session here at the legislature, the Manitoba government passed several new bills late Monday night that will become law after receiving royal assent, including Bill 24, the Intimate Image Protection Amendment Act, which has been renamed and strengthened to give plaintiffs more civil remedies. The legislation is now called the Non-Consensual Distribution of Intimate Images Act and will require the government to make supports available to assist people who have had or who believe that they have had an intimate image used without their consent, along with a provision that allows them to sue the person who distributed the image. The definition will also be expanded to include visual recordings that were created or altered using electronic means, including software, machine learning, and other types of artificial intelligence.
To see this as really enabling those groups that support victims and victim services within the Department of Justice to be able to use these tools to protect those victims and to be able to send a clear message to the perpetrators that this is something that's taken very seriously and there are serious consequences.
Professor David Gerhard says this bill will hopefully make those using intimate images think twice, but says with how rapidly it's evolving, it's an ongoing battle.
It will depend on which particular activities we find that need to fill gaps in legislation where we didn't imagine a person could do a thing, and now they can, and now we need a rule to say that they shouldn't.
While the new bill gives plaintiffs more ways to sue the person who distributed the image, it does not involve litigation against the apps and AI companies that some of these images come from.
If we legislate the tool itself, then we're going to be restricting the kind of things it can do, both good and bad. Personally, I'm more interested in legislating the behavior as opposed to the tool that enables that behavior.
In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.